Let's solve the following expression. From these two terms, I can factorize b naught, c naught. From these two terms, I can factorize a, b naught. From these two terms, I can factorize a, c naught. I cannot factorize two variables from this term, so that's why I'm going to copy this down. Or we said that we're going to factorize b naught, c naught from these two terms. So I'm going to have b naught, c naught, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have a or a naught. We said that we're going to factorize a, b naught from these two terms, and I'm going to end up with c naught or c, and I'm going to factorize a, c naught from these two terms. I'm going to copy everything wherever I didn't use. Or we have complements. We said that anytime we have complements all together, they're going to give me always 1. That's why I'm going to have just b naught, c naught times 1, or a, b naught, again I'm going to have 1, or a, c naught, and I'm going to have 1. So I'm going to end up with a naught, b, c, or b naught, c naught, or a, b naught, or a, c naught. Let's take a look what we can do with this term. We have a, and we have a over here. We can factorize this a. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have a naught, bc, or b naught, c naught, or a, and I have b naught or c naught. Now, I can use De Morgan's theorem and convert this to the NAND gate. Okay, this is De Morgan's theorem. Anytime I have two variables inverted or together, this is going to be equivalent to the NAND. Now take a look what we have. We have BC and we got BC naught. So these are the complements, and we have also complements over here. So I'm going to call this Q, and this one I'm going to call Q naught, because they are complements, just to make it looking a little bit simple. And my equation right now is going to look like this. A naught Q plus B naught C naught, or A Q naught. A naught Q, or let me just organize this, Q naught or B naught C naught. Now as you can see, we got exclusive OR gate over here. So I'm going to rewrite this as A exclusive OR Q or B naught, C naught. We said that Q is equivalent to BC. That's why my answer is going to be A, exclusive OR BC or B naught, C naught. This is the solution for the problem.